Want to keep your best Instagram stories alive and kicking way beyond 24 hours? Let's dive into creating and managing Instagram highlights to showcase your personality and brand like a pro first. Head over to your profile page. See that new circle right under your bio? Tap on it to start a new highlight. This opens your story archive, where all your past stories are waiting to be rediscovered. Now, select all the stories you want to include in this highlight. Think about a theme maybe. It's a travel series, product demos, or behind-the-scenes glimpses. Once you've chosen your stories, tap Next. Next, give your highlight a catchy title. Make it short, sweet, and easy to understand then. Tap Edit Cover to make it visually appealing. You can either choose a frame from your stories, or, even better, upload a custom-designed cover image from your camera roll. Make sure it's eye-catching and represents the theme of the highlight. Adjust its placement within the circle to make it look perfect. Tap Done in the top right corner, and then tap Add to publish your highlight. Boom! Your highlight is now live on your profile, ready to wow your audience. To manage your highlights, simply long press on any existing one. This gives you options to edit it, add more stories, remove stories, or even delete the highlight altogether. One last tip, organize your highlights by adding to the highlight that you want to stay first, last when you add to highlights. They are automatically ordered according to the most recent highlight. So there you have it. Now you can create stunning Instagram highlights that keep your audience engaged and showcase your best content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks.